Hey everybody, how you doing? Ray O'Brien here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about Southern Comfort Eggnog, traditional eggnog. Now this is one of the oldest recipes in the South is eggnog. I mean, you can make it homemade. You can get your egg yolks and your sugar and your vanilla bean and your cream, whisk it all together, put a little nutmeg in there. You know, some people don't want to fart around all that stuff, okay? Some people like to just buy it at the store. So my wife actually picked this up, Southern Comfort Traditional Eggnog. I thought, cool. Oh, that's cool. But then I looked at it and it says, non-alcoholic. I'm like, what? So let's check it out. Let's check it out and see what they think of this. Okay. So my first thoughts when I had this, when I first opened it up, it is on the thick side, okay? Which, I mean, could be a good or a bad thing, depending how you really like it. You don't want it real thin, but it is on the thick side. Very eggy. I mean, if that's a word. It's very egg heavy. It's got a very hairy egg consistency to it. That's right. Got an amber or a yellow hue to it, but you know, it is kind of thick, but that's okay because if you put a couple of ice cubes in there, keep it cold. And I actually tried that. I put an ice cube or two in there, and it went down pretty well. But I want to show it to you some of the ways that I saw it recommended, and I think this might be a lot better. So one of the ways I saw it recommended was that you take your glass. Oh, give me an ice cube. Okay, so grab me an ice ball. Check it out, Mimi, another ice ball. Grab the ice ball out of my freezer and pop that baby in there. And then we're just going to pour us, almost covering the ice ball with some Southern Comfort Traditional Eggnog. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw some Southern Comfort in there, man. I happen to have me some Southern Comfort here. And I'm going to measure this out. I'm going to throw 1.5 ounces of Southern Comfort in there. Pour it right on top of the ice ball. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw me some I'm going to throw me some ground nutmeg on there. If you got fresh with a microplane, all the better. This is my wife's pantry. I'm going to use it. Okay. And then I'm just going to put a cinnamon stick on there. Use it as a stir stick. Wow, now it's good. So that's your Southern Comfort Eggnog. My wife did happen to buy a Southern Comfort Vanilla. So stick around because in my next video, I'm going to do one. I'm going to get the Southern Comfort Vanilla. And I'll tell you what I think about that. I haven't tasted it yet. But I did see, there's a few things I have in mind I can put in there. So I want to make a drink of it. So you probably should subscribe because that's where you're privy to all the ones I've done, and all the ones that are coming, so it'll get sent to you when I do it. So subscribe, share with a friend, but definitely shoot me back a comment. Let me know, do you like Southern Comfort Eggnog? Do you like eggnog? What kind of eggnog do you like? Let me know. I'm sure there's a variety of ones out there that I haven't heard of, that I haven't tried. So let me know if you have if you drink eggnog around the holidays. I mean, this is pretty damn tasty. I mean, you're sitting around the fire, you know, sitting around with friends, sitting around by yourself. Now, also, people ask me how they can support this channel. One of the ways that I found you can support this channel is I have some Amazon goodies. I'll have Amazon links on how to get ice ball things. I'll have glassware. I'll have this cool 13-piece barware set my wife got me. I'll have links to all that stuff down below. All you do is click on it. And if you happen to need anything else for the holidays, you can do your shopping while you're there. All the better. Helps me out, man. I really appreciate it. But you've had a long day. You want to come home. You're sitting around the fire. You're with friends. And then you remember yourself. You know what? He was right, man. It is all about the cocktail, man. I'll see you just in time for the next round. you better believe I'll be there. See you later.